Hey guys, Alex here. Next day on the graduation vacation out at sea here in Marina Beach. We're jet skiing for the day. I think we're at Eagle Water Sports. Haven't been jet skiing since I've been to Ocean City, Maryland. Last night, overall went okay. Got home, got a ton of photos to edit. Did like 4 shoots back to back to back, all in one night. Now we're starting the day. We haven't even had breakfast yet. So today I'm using a GoPro Hero White. Now, I've never used a GoPro before, and today I'm mainly testing out the in-body electronic image stabilization. After this, we're gonna pick up some breakfast, head to the beach. I might have another swimsuit photo shoot, Sports Illustrated vibes, on Friday. Saturday, I might do a photo shoot for a realtor, and I guess we'll take it from there. So enjoy the ride. You had fun?
Oh my god, yeah.
My arms and my legs hurt.
Yeah,
They're like the bottom of my thighs, yeah.
Watch your step.
Like everything hurts from like holding yourself. And I hit a huge bump and almost flew off of the thing. Some of the waves are like deep.
So much fun.
But I almost fell off. It hurt my ankles. I was like, ah. This is it.
I'll send Paul up to get him when I get back.
What?
There's white poles up there.
What if it fall?
Huh?
What if it fall?
Where did he fall? Where did it fall?
Hey, buddy.
Happy birthday! Oh, what's that about? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, well.
Hey.
Oh, hi! I didn't know you was here. What are you doing here? Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't know.
Oh, hey.
Oh, wow.
Oh, back to the home.
You really shocked me.
I almost can't believe it. I'm back here in Pennsylvania. This is the end for my short graduation vacation series. It's been a lot of fun traveling to Florida, St. Petersburg, and the surrounding series was a lot of fun. Now, there was a lot of cut content in this series. I wanted to do more vlogs, but I was also on vacation and trying to work at the same time, so I did also want to spend a lot of my time relaxing and having fun and not having to worry about documenting every minute of the series. I understand. I kind of figured that doing this little vlog series wouldn't yield to that many views, and that's all right. I kind of figured that would happen, especially since I've been inactive on YouTube for like the past year or so. So I did the series. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to try vlogging. I always wanted to do vlogs of photo shoots, and that didn't exactly happen. I just have snippets and clips of me doing photo shoots here and there, but not a full recording of a photo shoot. And that's something I'd like to do at some point, especially for the A1 Photo Fun YouTube channel. But again, the series was just to have fun and share part of the experience with you guys. So overall, I really hope you guys enjoyed the graduation vacation series. Again, I really enjoyed it. For a very long time, I've been wanting to take myself somewhere, practically somewhere completely new, and just see if I could make it, see how much progress I could make in a allotted amount of time. I always wanted to do 2 weeks to a month after vacation. I wanted to try Las Vegas, but that was too far, and with my brother down in Florida, that made things easier, having somewhere to stay. You know, as soon as I got there, I was networking, I was ready, I was just on my grind there, posting online, trying to set up gigs. I did the photo shoots. I was really trying to land a lot of paid photo shoots, and it's kind of difficult to land paid photo shoots right away when you're new to an area. Granted, you have a portfolio ready to go on a tablet device, and I have my website and I have my Instagram, and there's posts there so people can see what kind of work I'm capable of making. But again, Florida's a new area, the environment's different, and that's why I really wanted to do something like a photo shoot on the beach, something themed like Sports Illustrated, and that was one of the most fun shoots I've ever done to date. It was a lot of fun to do, something completely new. I spent the day, researching. I was looking at like Sports Illustrated magazine covers, and Sports Illustrated has like a swimsuit YouTube channel, so I definitely referenced that, took a look at some of the videos, and it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing the shoot. The model, Amber Jackson, had a lot of fun. I could link her Instagram in the description, or if you go on my Instagram, you can find her Instagram there if you want to see more posts from her. But now that this is all over, getting ready to make prints. Very excited to make prints since this is Pennsylvania, and I do have a few connections here and there. I want to do some gallery shows and things of that nature. Definitely want to do some gallery shows and share the experience I had there in Florida. It would be very cool to do a wildlife series of all the cool animals they have there in Florida. It's just, there are so many island nature preserves in the area. It was just unfathomable compared to what's here in Pennsylvania. I just feel like the animals here are just not nearly as exciting. The variety really isn't there. There's really not much here, especially in the Lehigh Valley. So now that I'm back in the Lehigh Valley, I'm definitely trying to book work, and I'm definitely trying to get back on my YouTube channel, A1 Photo Fun, the photo channel, the AO7 main YouTube channel, and my other channels. There's so much I want to do. I have a lot of work backlog that I want to get onto as soon as possible. Again, I need to get some booked paid work going in, and getting some income here. I've been applying for some part-time gigs and jobs here and there. I think I may have to resort to picking up a full-time job. I don't know yet, but I've been applying and looking to see what's around on the market. And I'm just going to keep on pushing. That's what you got to do. You just got to be able to continually motivate yourself and just keep going. So now that I'm a Moravian College alumni or graduate, I'm here in my studio. I have this space here for about another month or so, and then from there I'll have to, I guess, look into getting another studio space if that's something I choose on doing. I'm not too sure, because again, this is Pennsylvania, and I feel like running a studio in a place like this isn't exactly easy to do. So I'm going to enjoy this area while I have it, while it lasts, and I'm going to book some work and start getting some income in. I got a lot of bills to pay, and there's a lot I want to do this summer. There's more trips I have planned for this summer, so I am considering vlogging them as I go. I'll be more than happy to vlog it on my way and share the experience with you guys. Again, the Lumix G7, which I'm recording on, and the Lumix G9 have been great. My 4/3 cameras have just been very great for me, especially this time of the year. Turning into the summer, it's very sunny out, and just, you know, the results I get are very nice. The size of the camera is very small, compact, easy to transport, lightweight, and I can keep both cameras and several lenses on me in my go bag, and it's a great time. I'm always having fun doing my photo shoots, and granted, when I'm doing these new things like wildlife photography and, you know, like the Sports Illustrated sort of fashion theme on the beach type of photo shoot, and some of the other things I've done like the low light photo shoots, they've just all been very fun to do. I have so much content to upload to my website. I have so many prints to make. I'm looking into getting my own professional grade printer so I can start selling prints and just keep things rolling. I definitely want to keep income coming in, so, you know, I could sustain a living here. It's not all about the money, but I definitely want to be making a decent amount. I mean, I went to college and I have a bachelor's degree, so I'm definitely going to have loans to pay back, and, you know, Pennsylvania just isn't really the spot for me. I definitely want to travel more and figure out exactly what I want to do. I have so many ideas and interests, but nothing's set in stone yet, and that's kind of the beauty in it of being a fresh graduate from college. Have the time now to just do whatever I want, and I'm just going to try to make the most of it. I definitely want to travel while I'm young, in my 20s. I want to travel here and there, and then I think, you know, close to my 30s, I should have things figured out. But yeah, thanks for joining me along this ride, guys. It's been very fun. Traveling to Florida, back in PA is pretty nice so far, I suppose. Again, just got to keep the work coming in and keeping busy. I'm going to just keep grinding, put content on all my YouTube channels, keep the photo shoots steady, the video shoots steady, keep applying for jobs, see what happens. Definitely want to get into some gallery shows and such, and just see what I can do. As long as I try to do something every day, I try to at least accomplish one thing a day, and it's a good feeling to know that you at least accomplished something in the day. So just set small goals for yourself and then take it from there, you know. Set some small goals, like I try to exercise and do something work related, work productive, and take it from there. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this adventure. It was very fun. I, again, very much enjoyed going to Florida, visiting my brother. It's been such a long time since I've seen him. Definitely want to visit him again at some point, probably towards the end of the year, because winter here in Pennsylvania is just not enjoyable, pretty unbearable. So it'd be very nice to head down to Florida. It'll be much cooler, but not freezing. And just, I could imagine the beaches are going to be empty, and I would totally spend a day at the beach during the winter there down in Florida. So I have a lot of other trips planned, but need to have some money. So I'll see what I can do. Guys, feel free to support the channel. I have a Patreon. I'm enabling channel memberships. I have an eBay page where I sell prints and such. Feel free to contact me on my website. If I'm possibly traveling in the area where you're located, feel free to hit me up via Instagram. And You know, I use some other social media, but not so much. I'm sort of weaning off of social media. Just kind of tired of the whole superficial sort of life world we put ourselves in. So I'll just keep posting my work. I try to leave my personal life out of it for the most part. But if I'm traveling to your town or city, feel free to hit me up. It'd be cool to collaborate on a photo shoot. You know, my prices aren't too bad. And it'd be cool to meet some fans along the way. So I'm going to keep on working on what I'm doing, and I'll see what I can do. So thanks again for checking out this entire series that I put together. And definitely a lot of content coming very soon. Now that I'm done with college, I'm not technically employed at the moment through any company. I'm just doing everything freelance. So I have a lot of free time at the moment, and I'll see what I can do in the next coming week. So see you guys in the next one. This is Alex signing out.